Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Mazda RX3 and this is by Hotwheels, and this is from the Tooned series, and this one is specifically the Mad Mike one. I personally love the Tooned versions because it does look really funny and funky. So and it looks really cute, super cute. So if you remember, we unboxed two Volkswagen, one is a treasure and then one is a very old one. I think I unboxed it like 2 years back, if I'm not wrong. I think 1 year back. Yeah, 1 year back. Sorry. So that was an orange one, and we did some unboxing of other toned versions also. I think one more Dodge, if I'm not wrong. So this one I bought for 179. So I bought this from a local shop. Who knows me? So yeah. So I see a lot of scalpers buying this entire box itself. Lucky that I had someone to get this for me. Okay. So here it is. So the initial impressions of this car are this looks really cute, and there is some paint damage here, as you can see here. So apart from that, it does look really nice. So I actually thought of buying two of these because it says trouble. Okay. Okay, so it doesn't have much detailing to it, and like the headlights or tail lights, at least the headlights are like it's engraved in it. So that looks really nice, and it is chromed out. So actually this part is plastic, it's not metal, and the body is metal. So I really like this fenders. It's like this white body. So actually this part is plastic. This is actually connected with the interior. But it has really cool detailing. It may not be much, but it has some good detailing. So you can see this intense here, that is for this screws go inside, right? So or rivets, whatever it is. Okay, and you can see the interior also. This reminds me of my childhood days, where the cartoon characters have funky car, and I really love the rims on this. It looks really nice. Okay, let's do a roll test real quick. Okay, it is not fast. It does have a wheel wobble. You can see sometimes it is going in this way. It is not exactly going straight on track. It is going like this sometimes. Okay, it is not really good on track, but you can keep it in your collection if you love it. It looks really cute. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.